Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam, question number 82 in Electronics Demystified, 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, you'll find this question on page 435. The question is talking about why you should not use the devices shown here to connect a ham radio transceiver or transmitter into a vehicle's electrical system, a motor vehicle like your car. These things are called cigarette lighter adapters. They have a contact right here. There are two of them shown here, a contact right here and right here. Go to the positive in a negative ground system like we have in the United States. These terminals, these tips, go to the positive polarity, and these sort of like expandable springy thingies, I don't know exactly what to call these, but they hold these adapters in place in the cigarette lighter outlet of your vehicle, and they also serve to connect the negative terminal to your ham radio transceiver or whatever it is that you want to use. Well, for small devices like receivers and things like that that don't draw a lot of current, these things work fine. They work fine to charge cell phones with. They work fine for very low power transmitting applications, but if you increase the power of your transmitter, the problem is that the cords for these things, here's the positive cord, that's this red-orange one. The negative cords are the black ones. And these things are very nice. They're very convenient. I got them at Radio Shack. They have these little terminals that are very easy to connect, and they have a positive action insert and pull out. They're really nice, as long as I don't use them with a ham radio transmitter that puts out very much power, because radio frequency energy from that transmitter can get onto these lines, get into this cigarette lighter, and take a roundabout path through the automotive electrical system. That sort of puts what they call RF on the wiring, radio frequency energy on the wiring, and that's just a bad deal all the way around. And with today's cars with their microcomputers, these things can cause a lot of problems. In particular, they can interfere with the microcomputer. I had an experience where I actually fried, that is to say destroyed, part of the microcomputer with a high power ham radio transmitter using one of these things. And the microcomputer got it into its little electronic microchip brain that it was going to shut my vehicle off whenever it felt just like it wanted to. And that might happen, it happened on Interstate 95 going through downtown Miami a few times, and that prompted me to think, maybe I'd better not use these again. Maybe I'd better just run the wires directly to the automotive battery the way the instruction manuals say. And so the real compelling reason not to use these things with a high-powered radio transmitter is choice B. You run the risk of having it interfere with the operation of the vehicle's microcomputer. In fact, it can even permanently damage the vehicle's microcomputers. So once again, choice B is the answer here.